Did you know you can get a domain name completely free? And not as part of a bundle, but on its own. Most domain names usually come with an upfront and yearly cost. And while many providers offer a free domain, it's normally included only when you buy something else, like web hosting or email. So technically, you're still paying for it, just indirectly. With names.co.uk, it works differently. You can register a .co.uk domain name for free, without needing to buy hosting or any extra services. That means you can secure your domain name now and decide what to build later. Getting your free domain is simple. Just search for your ideal .co.uk domain on names.co.uk. Choose an available name, and then register it completely free. .co.uk domains are one of the most popular choices for UK websites. They're trusted, recognizable, and signal that your website is based in the UK. So whether you're starting a business, building a personal brand, or launching a project, they're a strong place to start. And if you do need web hosting or email later, you can always add that on. But the key thing is, you don't have to decide that up front just to secure your domain. If you've got a name in mind, now's the time to claim it. Search for your domain at names.co.uk and register it for free today.